Hello everyone, today we are doing MD2PDF CTF on TryHackMe. So let's open up our Nmap scan. So we can see that we have SSH open and a web server on port 80. And we have something, and we have another website, we have another web server on port 5000. So let's have a look at them two web servers. So let's put in port 80 for our first one, and port 5000. So we can see we have a web page open that allows uploads up. So one of the first things I wanted to test out was reverse shells. So I pretty much went on revshells.com to just get a reverse shell to try to do like a PHP reverse shell, but like that did not work at all. So one of the things I had to end up do was just to do some cross-site scripting to see if I could ping like anything from behind the server. So what I did next was just go on GoBuster and just do a GoBuster scan. So let's just type in GoBuster, and you pretty much want to type in the IP address of the web server. You just Control-Shift-V it in and just run GoBuster and see what you get. So we have one directory name, so let's have a look at their web server and put it in. So let's put in admin. So we get forbidden, and it shows that it can only be accessed by a local host. So what this means when we have this is just that it can be accessed by like some cross-site scripting. So that's what it leads me to believe. So we can just send code that would get executed on the back end of the server. So what you wanna put in now is like a cross-site scripting script on this box here to give us access to the server. So let's put in iframe, and you wanna put src as the link. Like this room expects you to have some basic like HTML knowledge beforehand, so I wouldn't say it's that targeted towards beginners. So let's put in the IP address of the local host, which will be this, as always, the IP address of a local host machine. And let's put 5000. Try to ping the other server. As it said, it needed to have access from the 5000 IP address. Let's put in the admin directory, and now we want to put in, close this bracket here. As for HTML, you need to put in the brackets to close one part of the tag, and let's put in /frame to close the other part, and put in enter, and we'll wait for this to go through. And we have the flag for the room. Pretty basic cross-site scripting error, just some misconfiguration that would allow an attacker to control the machine in a way that the owners wouldn't expect.